Introducing Motorola's cutting-edge AI features. For an enhanced user experience, Motorola is proud to unveil its latest innovation in smartphone technology, the new AI features. With these state-of-the-art capabilities, your Motorola device will offer an unprecedented level of convenience, personalization, and efficiency, revolutionizing the way you interact with your phone. One of the most impressive aspects of Motorola's new AI features is its ability to enhance your device's performance and efficiency, powered by advanced machine learning algorithms. Your phone will learn and adapt to your usage patterns, ensuring a seamless and optimized experience. Whether you're a heavy multitasker or a casual user, your Motorola smartphone will effortlessly keep up with your demands. Thanks to the new AI features, you can also expect your device to understand and respond to your needs like never before. Motorola's voice recognition technology has been significantly enhanced, allowing for more accurate and precise voice commands. Need to send a text message, make a call, or find directions? Simply speak your request, and your phone will execute it promptly and accurately, making your life easier and more efficient. Moreover, Motorola's AI features are designed to prioritize your well-being and provide a more immersive experience. The adaptive battery feature optimizes your battery life by analyzing your app usage patterns and automatically adjusting power consumption. Say goodbye to worrying about running out of battery during important moments. Your Motorola device will intelligently manage your power resources, ensuring maximum efficiency throughout the day. Additionally, Motorola's AI features extend to the camera, enhancing your photography skills and delivering stunning results. The intelligent camera system utilizes machine learning to recognize various scenes, objects, and even people, instantly adjusting the camera settings to capture the perfect shot. Whether you're a professional photographer or an amateur enthusiast, your Motorola smartphone will help you take breathtaking photos effortlessly. Not only does Motorola's AI features elevate your smartphone experience, but they also prioritize your digital well-being. The new digital well-being feature is designed to provide you with insights into your smartphone usage habits, ensuring a healthy balance between your digital and personal life. With features like app timers, notification management, and a wind-down mode, Motorola helps you maintain a healthy relationship with your device. Furthermore, the AI features enable Motorola smartphones to adapt seamlessly to your preferences and routines. Your phone will learn your daily habits, suggesting relevant apps, providing personalized news updates, and anticipating your needs based on your usage patterns, whether it's predicting your commute time, suggesting your favorite restaurant, or offering reminders for upcoming events. Your Motorola device becomes an intuitive and indispensable companion. Lastly, Motorola's AI features emphasize privacy and security with advanced facial recognition and fingerprint scanning technologies. You can ensure that your data remains secure. Your device will recognize you instantly and unlock with a simple glance or touch, enabling a secure and effortless authentication process. In conclusion, Motorola's new AI features bring an array of enhancements to their smartphones, ensuring a superior user experience, from optimized performance and personalized interactions to improved photography and digital well-being. These innovative technologies empower you to make the most of your Motorola device. Discover the endless possibilities that AI brings to your smartphone and embrace a new era of convenience, efficiency, and personalized connectivity with Motorola.